and welcome back to another video tutorial section. And in this video I want to be showing you exactly how you can create an automation process in Orange Mail platform. Okay, so like I said in the previous video, an automation process is an important process when it comes to online marketing, because automation processes help you to send out emails to your subscribers even when you are not actively on the platform to send the email yourself. Okay, you can automate the process so that it can send at a particular time in the future, even when you are not aware of the current situation of things. It can still send out, and this is something you can make happen in Orange Mail mailing software. All right, so I'm going to show you how you can do that right away. So when you click on the automation sections on the menu section here, on the navigation section here, it brings you to this particular section, this particular page, where you can now create an automation process. As you can see, I have one created, and it has been completed already. All right, and I'm going to show you how to create one. To create an automation process, the first thing you need to do is to click on the add new button right here. You click on the add new button. I'm going to do that right now. And then when you click on the add new button, you're expected to give your automation process a name. All right, so I'm going to call it auto process test. All right, so after you've given it a name, you have to choose the email list you intend to create this automation process for. As soon as you're done with those, you have to click on the get started option right here, which is on the bottom right here. You click on it, and then it takes you to a page where you can create the full automation process, which is this page right here. Okay, so on this page right here, you can see that we have a couple of options on the right hand corner of the page. All right, you can choose to delete this automation process by clicking on the delete button right here. All right, so now you can see we have automation starts when the following trigger condition is met. Okay, you have to choose a trigger condition for the automation process to start. Okay, you can choose to welcome new subscribers. You can choose to say happy birthday. You can choose a specific date that you want that automation process to start. All right, or whatever. You can choose a monthly recurring automation process, or we have a number of about 8 options right here that you can choose from. All right, so I'm going to choose the specific date option, and then I'm going to choose a date. I'm going to choose a Saturday, which is the 23rd of April. I'm going to choose 7. I'm going to choose 10 a.m. and confirm. So as soon as it's 10 a.m. on Saturday, this automation process starts up. All right, so when I choose, after you've chosen the trigger option, you have to click on the plus option right here to choose the next action. You can choose to wait, or you can choose to send an email. All right, so when you click on send an email, you have to fill in these options right here. You enter your email subject, you enter the from name, the from email, and then the reply to, and then you click on save and next. Okay, now some fields are empty. I'm going to just enter some details right here. Okay, so you click on save and next. Okay, after you enter sorry, I think one of my sections is empty. The field must be a valid email address. Okay, so I'm going to enter an email address, abc@gmail.com. Okay, as you can see, I entered a new email address that is not verified, and then I have to verify that email address on this platform, and then I can click on the button here, on this option right here, to verify this email address. Okay, so when you choose an email that is valid and active on your platform, all you need to do is to now okay, I'm going to try to select Okay, so all right, so when you've entered the details that you are asked to enter on this option, you choose the valid items. Remember, you have to choose a valid from email, which is included in the sender email, like I told you earlier. When you choose a valid sender email and a valid name, then you click on the save and next option right here. After you're done with all the processes you're giving, you will get to a confirmation stage where the email will now be included in the workflow. All right. So you have to add another option, which is to wait. You can choose to wait for 1 minute or for 30 minutes or for one day, for 1 day, for 2 days, for 3 days, for 2 days. Let's say for 2 days. And then after 2 days, the next automation occurs, which is to send an email. All right, so the same process keeps happening until you're done building your workflow. All right, so as soon as you're done building your workflow, the next thing you need to do is to click on the save changes option right here. Okay, as soon as you click on the save changes option, you can see it shows success. All right, you can see it shows success down there. You can see the success message down there. Action was successfully updated. All right, so as soon as this happens, then you are good to go. Your automation process is set and good to go. I'm going to go back. All right, as you can see, this is the automation process we just created, which is this one right here. We just created this automation process and it is paused right now. As soon as the dates that I put in is reached, the automation process will start. Remember, I chose for the automation process to start on Saturday, which is I think 3 days from today. So as soon as it gets to that day, the process, the post option right here will change and the email will start sending out my subscribers. All right, so this is exactly how you can create an automation process. And then I believe this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't forget to contact us via the support channel, and we'll be there to take any questions you may have. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.